Welcome to PDFRun. In this video, we'll guide you on how to fill out Form 940. Form 940 is used to report your annual Federal Unemployment Tax Act, or FUTA. Together with state unemployment tax systems, the FUTA tax provides funds for paying unemployment compensation to workers who have lost their jobs. Most employers pay both a federal and a state unemployment tax. To begin filling out this document, click on the Fill Online button. This will redirect you to PDFRun's online editor. First, provide your EIN. Then, provide the full legal name of your business, and its trade name, if there's any. And lastly, provide the full address of your business. Under Type of Return, check all the boxes that apply for your business. For Part 1, please answer the following. On line 1A, provide the abbreviation of the state where you were required to pay your state unemployment tax. On line 1B, check the box if you paid state unemployment tax in more than one state. Then, fill out Schedule A and attach it to this form. On line 2, check the box if you paid wages in a state that is subject to credit reduction. Then, fill out Schedule A and attach it to this form. For Part 2, please answer the following. On line 3, report the total payments made during the calendar year. On line 4, provide an amount, then check the appropriate box or boxes that corresponds to the specific types of payments exempt from FUTA. On line 5, provide the total of payments made to each employee in excess of $7,000. On line 6, add the amounts on lines 4 and 5. On line 7, subtract line 6 from line 3. On line 8, multiply line 7 by 0.006. For Part 3, please answer the following. On line 9, if all of the taxable FUTA wages you paid were excluded from state unemployment tax, multiply line 7 by 0.054. Then, you may skip lines 10 and 11. On line 10, if some of the taxable FUTA wages you paid were excluded from state unemployment tax, or you paid any state unemployment tax late, please follow the instructions as indicated on the form. On line 11, if credit reduction applies, enter the total from Schedule A. For Part 4, please answer the following. You may leave any of the lines blank if it does not apply to you. On line 12, add the amounts shown on lines 8, 9, 10, and 11. On line 13, enter the amount of FUTA tax that was deposited for the year, including any overpayment that was applied from a previous year. On line 14, enter the balance due. Please take note of the conditions indicated on the form. On line 15, enter the overpayment. Please take note of the conditions, then, check either apply the refund to next return, or send a refund. At the beginning of the second page, input your name and EIN. For Part 5, please fill it out. If line 12 is more than $500. Otherwise, if it is less than $500, leave this blank, and skip to Part 6. On line 16, report the amount of your FUTA tax liability for each quarter. On line 17, provide the total tax liability for the year, by adding up all the quarters indicated above. For Part 6, choose the appropriate box on whether you would like a designated third party to discuss this return with the IRS. If yes, enter the designee's name and phone number, along with their 5-digit personal identification number, PIN. Otherwise, mark No. For Part 7, affix your signature and the date when this was signed. Then, print your name, title, and provide your daytime phone number. On this part, it must be filled out by the paid preparer only. All the necessary details, as indicated on the form, has to be provided. On the third page, a payment voucher is available. Please fill in all the necessary details, as indicated on the form. Afterwards, detach this, and mail with your payment, and this form. Review, and double-check if all entered information is correct and accurate. Once finished, click on the Done button to save, download, and print your Form 940. To learn more about this form or find other fillable templates, visit www.pdfrun.com.